back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with more daily work from home job leads for you. I think I have 4 or 5 different job leads in this video, trying to include a little bit of something for everyone. I have some non-phone jobs. I have a few phone jobs. So no matter what your preferences are, hopefully you can find something in this video for you. As always, the links to all the pages that I share are always directly linked in the YouTube description box below this video. And yes, as the title suggests, I do have a job lead that is paying $50,000 a year and giving you all the computer equipment you need to do the job for just reviewing and selecting images. That's it. But real quickly, before we dive in, I just want to ask that if you enjoy any of these job lead videos, please give me that direct feedback by giving this video a thumbs up like button. And of course, if you know anybody this would help, share with all your friends and family, because we all want to work from home, living our happiest, healthiest life. But with that being said, first up we have HMH. Now, I couldn't find a whole lot of information on this company. They only have 7 reviews on Glassdoor, so please, as always, do your own research on any companies before giving them your personal information. But out of those 7 reviews, they do have a 3.9 out of 5-star rating. They are hiring a document processor. Now, this is remote for the United States. All of these positions are going to be for the United States only, and this is a contract 1099 position. Now, HMH is a premier drilling solutions provider. They have a portfolio of products and services that are designed to be safest and most efficient in the oil drilling industry. But they are looking for somebody to process documents. You'll typically act as a lead, coordinating and checking the work of others, but not acting as a supervisor. You'll allocate work and provide subject matter guidance to other team members, exercising judgment based on previous experience, practices, and precedents, and you'll impact the effectiveness of your own team. It does say they will give you on-the-job training. They're looking for somebody who's a high school diploma or GED and 5 years of relevant work experience. Unfortunately, they did not list pay for this position. That'll have to be discussed at the time of the interview. Moving right along, if finance is your thing, we have a work from home remote job for First Citizens Bank. Now, First Citizens Bank does have 952 reviews from past and current employees on Glassdoor with a 3.7 out of 5-star employee satisfaction rating. They are looking for a business support specialist. Now, this is remote, but they're specifically looking for Pacific Standard Time zones. This is going to be a Monday through Friday job. But they're looking for somebody to support bank products and services within the business unit in execution of daily operating activities. You'll be doing account servicing, so manage accounts, portfolios, and packages specific to the line of business, including creation and termination of accounts. You'll perform routine data entry, processing, and documentation. You'll perform various operational tasks that occur during customer vendor inquiries, and you'll do service and support. So you're going to develop relationships with customers and associates and helping them achieve their business goals and streamline their service experiences. Now, they are looking for somebody who has a high school diploma or GED, but no college degree is required, and they do want somebody who has 2 years experience in operations or support or some kind of customer service. Now, as promised by the title of this video, we do have a job that's paying $50,000 a year, non-phone, reviewing images, and giving you that computer equipment. The company is a Webstaurant Store. Hope I am saying that right. They do have 388 reviews on Glassdoor with a 3.9 out of 5-star rating. They are looking for a content image curator. Again, this is remote, and pay is starting at $50,000 a year. Now, they say they're the world's largest online restaurant supply company, so they supply things to big restaurants. They're looking for candidates to join their team as a full-time content image curator, so you're not doing a content as far as building the entire post. You're going to be sourcing those images. You'll enjoy the same training and support in your position as other employees at their physical locations, so they are going to train you through like video meetings and things like that. But the purpose of this job is to review new items and select an image method, whether you're going to use in-house photography, 3D renders, or whatever, based on the defined standards. You're going to use strong research skills to navigate vendor-provided resources to locate key product information and images that meet brand standards. You'll utilize a proprietary content management system to upload that information and include shipping-related attributes, reference documents, manuals, nutrition information, things like that. You'll gather data using research and reporting tools to make suggestions to improve website features and navigation, and you'll take ownership of any assigned products to ensure that they're not on display in the accurate product information. So when you put things on the website, you're basically looking to source images, reviewing images, and picking out the best ones. Now, they are not requiring a college degree. They are looking for somebody who has great critical thinking and problem-solving skills, someone who has great attention to detail, and someone who has great time management skills. They want somebody who is comfortable using those Microsoft Office systems, and it does say that the essential computer equipment such as hardware and software you needed to perform your job is part of the benefit of the job and will be given to you. Now, they do have a few state restrictions. The states that they can hire in are listed at the bottom of the job. Moving right along, we have the company Quartzy. Now, Quartzy has 39 reviews on Glassdoor with a 4.5 out of 5-star rating. They are looking for a software support specialist. Again, this is full-time remote for the United States. Now, Quartzy is a lab management platform and lab management software. Their customers range from companies that work on COVID testing and therapies to winemakers to food and AG companies. So anybody who has a lab and is in their testing products and things, they're looking for somebody to help with the software, develop an understanding of the platform, the customers, and the various use cases that their customers would use the platform for. Then you'll provide that excellent product support, customer service to the users through email, phone, and Zoom. You'll be a product expert, leveraging the knowledge that you have to support the users through troubleshooting customer tickets focused around the usability of the Quartzy products and features. So this is going to be a customer service job. You will also be helping identify and reporting and escalating any bugs that you find in the software up to the product and engineering teams. Now, again, no college degree is needed. They do want somebody who has 2 to 5 years of customer service experience, someone who has great problem solving and analytical skills, great communication skills, and extremely detail oriented. Now, as far as that work schedule, they want somebody who's available between 7 a.m. and 4 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. So if you're outside of that time zone, you'll have to convert your hours to see if that works for you. It does say you can live anywhere in the United States, and they are paying anywhere from $50,000 a year all the way up to $60,000 a year. And last but not least, this one is going to be restricted to the few states that are listed here, but if you're looking for a part-time position, then Live Nation Entertainment is hiring a client support specialist part-time. You will be working in Pacific time zone. But you'll basically work closely with clients through Zoom, email, and over the phone, helping those clients build their own events, manage their own and off ticket sales, and pulling their own reports. So you're really just helping someone completely set up their event, their concert, get the tickets going, all of that that's going to be managed through Live Nation. You'll oversee a team of after-hour client support specialists and bridge operations for respective product fan support and client support teams. You'll be engaging with event hosts and ticket buyers. You will identify process optimization and improvements to the customer success workflow, and you'll monitor any client chargeback activity and flag fraudulent trends. So you're making sure those payments are coming through and they're not fraudulent. Now, as far as what they're looking for, somebody who has 2 years experience in some kind of a customer service. They say if you do have ticketing experience, that's a huge plus, but it's not required. They do want somebody who has 1 year experience managing some kind of accounts or partnerships, someone who has strong understanding of technology and how to use it, great communication skills, and is someone who is very social. Now, pay for this position is anywhere from $18.40 an hour all the way up to $23 an hour. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. Again, if you enjoyed any of these job leads, don't forget to give me that feedback by giving this video a thumbs up, like button, share with all your friends and family, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.